What's going on, guys? Now you with me? Now channel. So today I will in Base Swamp Simulator and in the robot game. So today is have new update, but that is the sun bear. That's it. You see it? Yes, if you see this, it is the new bear for coming, and it will give me a quest, and if we do is good, we will get a build back. And let's have some new secret. Is a parkour. So I think it's hard, but let's go. Guys, I lost. Oh, honey, nope. Oh, why? I'm sad, you know. Fine. Oh, and last time I come on and look, bees. It's a new beast for coming, and this is a ticket. Ticket is have two secret there. One secret is and one secret is it's behind the sun bear bus. And this is all quests I want to do, but I think this clip I never do any quest. Did. So let's see. And another I can't remember. Sorry. Oh, another is in the spider cribs, and I guess for free. 2 free ticket. Yeah, guys. And then is how for the Cloverfield. I think I will go to Cloverfield. Let's do it. Oh, I finished quests for brown bear, and I will get the honey and royal jellies. Why I would do something like that? I don't know why. Okay, this is brown bear. Hello, good job, thanks. Ooh, wow, a lot of honey and 1 royal jelly. I love it. It's daily quiz, right? And lotions for bear bees. Why? And I don't want to pay anything in this clip. What happened is stop. Oh, I love the slingshot. Okay, and let's have the new thing in the shop. Let's see it. This is Rap Guard, Husty Guard, Boomer Guard, Looker Guard, and Build Bag. Not for sale. What is your meaning? Not for sale. For just only you get it for a sun bear. Okay. And this have quest to defeat the scorpion. Let's defeat the scorpion. Okay, I love the panda bears so much. Hello, panda bears. Hello. Okay, I pass him. Yeah. Okay, and see, the spiders come up. I need to step on his poolant, and he attacked me. See? Yeah. Attack him. Defeat him, guys. And ladybug sometimes is bad when we come to win. Yeah. That's on the strawberry field. And then, see? I got the 15 bees. Where? Werewolf. What's it you mean? Werewolf. Werewolf. I see werewolf. And then you can see it. Yeah, it's a real cannon. 16 speed type. That is lost field. His had the scorpion. What happened? Why all be all stop? And don't come at me. Why? 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 And I see the scorpion. Now it's come up. And it's stuck again. Why? Why, guys? And I can't. Only one can move. Ah, I hurt. I'm so hurt. But I can't hit one scorpion. That's so cool. If you see some voice of call, I'm so worried. Sorry. Because, yeah, I'm crashed in my living room. And, the truck now come and say กับข้าวไหมล่ะครับกับข้าว It's so really made me angry. I'm so sorry if some English person, so American person cannot understand. I'm so sorry. This is sound in Thailand. Say กับข้าวมาแล้วครับกับข้าว And I'm thinking I have to say in English. Food come food. I don't know it. And let's climb to again. Hey, you the fish spider. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Okay. Food come out food. This is a pine tree. I don't know. Oh, werewolf is coming. Ah, werewolf. Oh no, werewolf is coming. Ah, car voice. I'm so sorry with this. So, and see, this is Rosefield. I love Rosefield, but and I love Scorpion too, but Scorpion make me hurt a lot. Okay, I will go and climb up, and what happened is I want to Haste token, guys, please give me the Haste token. I would think this script will be give me a Haste token. Yeah, this script. And I'm climb up at that because I don't want to fall at. At. Guys, so close. Hey. Okay. A werewolf again. I'm just the one and you pulling while you come at me. Jump on it. Yeah, collect pulling. Come on, guys, help me to collect pulling. This is one of quests. Yeah, what happened? It's stuck. No, Sky, please don't do like that. Sand. And this, when it's stuck, so really bad for it. Why? Boo boost, bust bum, bum bum bum. So is that so. Okay, I think this clip is not a long clip again, because when I do this video in YouTube in phone don't make me over 15 minutes. So I think just 10 minutes is cool. And I think before I will end this clip, I will get all of friends that I can. Okay, I love this. It's got a honey. The yellow number is a honey. Come on, guys. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. There. Not say honey like that. Okay. Oh, my honey. Yeah. Okay, and I'm done finished any quiz. See you again next time. And I think it's for a long way to go. It's a long way to go. Nope. Come. I will get this some pudding at sunflower field because it's quiz. Okay, red bomb, boom, boom, bam, yeah. Buzz bomb, yeah, honey. Husk speed, nope. Husk token, yeah. And come on, guys, quick, come so quick. And I see the Black Bear has some updates for Diamond Quiz. And thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.